everyone. Thanks for stopping by the Camping Family channel today. Back out in the flare, doing a product review, a little different product review. I've never had a product where I actually got it free from the manufacturer, and I reached out and they sent me the product. So pretty cool. So a little story, I was cruising through Facebook, saw their ad, and was intrigued. Yes, I was intrigued by it. So, happened to be the Showery Shower Head. And I've had some issues with the shower head in the camper before. I'm not going to say the manufacturer name, but it begins with an O. Very popular brand. And we've just never really liked it. Yes, it does cut down on the water consumption and flow, but we've had issues with just the pattern of the spray, and it doesn't feel like home. So that's why I reached out to this company. And they sent me a product review. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. I've got it all set up. Here it is right here. This is the Showery Shower Head, one of their models. Comes with the beads, which are, they claim to soften the water, add minerals, that type of thing. My daughter actually saw this on TikTok and she was in love with it even before I installed it. So it was pretty funny. But this is it. The beads you can buy replacements for. There's 3 patterns, all done via this switch on the side, and there is a stop switch, which is nice, which I have on right now. So, especially nice in the camper because there are times when, if you really want to conserve water, you want to shut off all your water while you're lathering up, and then turn it on only when you need the water. So, it does have that ability right on the handle here. Let's turn it on and we'll demo the various settings. So this is the first setting here. I do have the water pump on. I don't have it hooked up to city water. But you can see the nice spray pattern, and that's really the setting we were looking for. Something more like home. Works great, and it feels nice. The second setting here is more of a stream. Gives you a little bit of a massage. Definitely feels good. The third setting is a combination of both. You get the rain-ish setting as well as the stream setting. So very cool. We really like it. I actually bought one for the family for Christmas for inside the house, because we like this so much. So it's kind of the present. Shh, don't tell anybody. But yeah, we really like it. So if you're looking for a replacement shower head for your camper or motorhome, hey, check out Showery. They have several different models out there. There might be one you like. All right, everyone. Well, thanks for stopping by this quick product demo. Hope everybody's doing well, and we'll see you on the next video. Happy camping.